Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I unhide all columns in Excel? How to unhide columns in Excel. Click on the small green triangle in the top left corner of your spreadsheet. This will select the entire spreadsheet. Now right-click anywhere in the entire selection and choose the Unhide option from the menu. You should now be able to see all of your columns. Why can't I unhide columns in Excel? To unhide column A, right-click the column B header or label and pick Unhide Columns. To unhide row 1, right-click the row 2 header or label and pick Unhide Rows. Tip: if you don't see Unhide Columns or Unhide Rows, make sure you're right-clicking inside the column or row label. What is the shortcut key to unhide columns in Excel? Unhide Column. This Excel shortcut unhides a column or columns from a worksheet. Remember this shortcut. Same as the Hide Column shortcut, Ctrl+0, except add Shift to unhide, Ctrl+Shift+0, instead.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.